Hi kids! Wow, so many vegetables! And also so colorful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 vegetables. Our first vegetable is pumpkin. Yellow color, green color. Our second vegetable is a red bell pepper. Red color, green color. Third vegetable is a carrot. Green color, orange color. Our fourth vegetable is also a carrot, but the color is different. Green color, red color. Our fifth vegetable is a radish. Green color, white color. Eggplant is our sixth vegetable. Purple color, green color. And our last vegetable is cucumber. Green color.
Wow! Wow!
Join them again. Pumpkin. Red bell pepper. Carrot. Plant. Radish. Carrot. And the last one is cucumber. Keep them aside. Oh wow, color pens. So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Orange color. Blue color. Light green color. Pink color. Sky blue color. Green color. Red color. Purple color. And the last one is yellow color. Let's write as purple color. J. J for jackfruit. J for also jackal. J. Pink color. K. K for kangaroo. K for also koala. K. Light green color. L. L for leopard. L for also lemon. L. Orange. M. M for mouse. M for also mountain. M. Our next color is sky blue. N. N for nose. N for also nightingale. N. Yellow. O. O for octopus. O for also oval. O. Green color. P. P for penguin. P for also pumpkin. P. Red color. Q. Q for queen. Q for also quarter. Q. Our last color is blue. R. R for rabbit. R for also robot. R. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. Bye bye kids, keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.